Oh, my god, I tried to. I said I'm busy, I'm live. I've been on so much and he's just... No card at all, and then let's go to the previous one first. If there is a powder, there will be less rubbing. With N0. 0 gentle little brush makeup to tears. I wanted to try something. This is the effect that comes out. Then we will set the makeup. About a thin layer can be applied to the eyebrows with an eyebrow brush first. The powder is slightly. Brush it, only use the one with the deepest eyebrow powder. I don't see a chance. Then use its own brush to dip the color in the middle, gently sweep it on, and then repair it. If possible, use now jepping this because these two colors. Probably sweep the eye socket. For example, it can come out at once, and you can also brush smaller details. I'm sorry. I don't know what I think. Wake up, baby. Then take a small spoon. Then we get a stop the other set. I think it's better this way. At this time, try to tilt the tail up a little bit. Oh my god. Video a little 3. My 11mm first line false eyelashes. Flower branches. Wipe off the foundation when. Do your hair? I got 250 for this. Then blow your hair. I can't wait to. If you are right, you can iron it or not. It's up to you, I am. Anyway, his trace is not obvious. After adding it, it will be better directly. It's done. There is. Dotted. Today's makeup is over, bye. I just can't keep my eyes off him, I want to.